Hello, my loves. Use this meditation to remove the third party and become theirs forever. This meditation is crafted to align your subconscious mind with the reality where you are in a loving, romantic relationship with your person and no one is able to interfere in that relationship. Dive deep into this transformative meditation and watch your desires manifest effortlessly. Now let's begin. Their world is completely consumed by me. No one else stands a chance. I'm their only obsession. Every trace of anyone else is wiped from their mind. I am the only person they can think about now. Their love for me is so fierce, it drives everyone else away. I'm the only one they need. No one can come between us. Our bond is unbreakable, making them forget anyone who tries to come between us. They crave me so intensely that no third party can even catch their eye. I'm their only focus. Every bit of their desire is locked onto me, pushing away anyone who tries to get close. Our connection is so strong, it leaves no room for anyone else. They only want me. They are so obsessed with me that they'll cut ties with anyone who tries to interfere with us. I'm the only one who can satisfy their deepest cravings. No one else even comes close. Every time they see me, their desire for others fades into nothing. I'm their ultimate fixation. They'll do anything to keep me close, pushing everyone else away to make sure I'm theirs. Their loyalty is unshakable, stronger than any third party's influence. I'm all they need. No matter who tries to come between us, they're met with fierce resistance. I'm their one and only. They can't imagine life without me. Anyone who tries to replace me is immediately cast out. Their mind, heart, and body are all devoted to me, leaving no space for anyone else to intrude. Their thoughts are chained to me, making them unable to think of anyone else. I'm their every waking desire. Every touch, every glance, every breath they take is filled with a need for me. No one else even exists in their world. The moment someone tries to interfere, their bond with me only grows stronger, pushing others far away. I'm embedded so deeply in their mind that every other person fades into insignificance. I'm their obsession. They feel an insatiable hunger for me, one that no third party can ever satisfy. I'm their only craving. Their heart beats only for me, drowning out the presence of anyone else who tries to enter their life. Every whisper of another name vanishes as they're overwhelmed by their longing for me alone. They have removed all third parties and they only want to be with me forever. It is already done. Type, they only want me to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.